In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a traffic ticket online in American Samoa. The first thing you need to know is that at this time, you cannot currently pay a traffic ticket online in American Samoa. The territorial government and the High Court of American Samoa do not provide an online payment portal for traffic fine payments. So if you were hoping to handle this entirely on the internet, it's important to know that option is not available right now. Instead, you'll need to use one of the available alternative payment methods. Knowing this upfront can save you time and help you avoid searching through websites that won't actually let you complete the payment. One option is to take your physical traffic citation to the district court or the Traffic Violations Bureau, which is located at the High Court of American Samoa in Fagatogo, Pago Pago. Bringing the physical ticket with you is important because it contains the citation details the court will need to process your payment correctly. Before you go, make sure the document is easy to read and not damaged, since clear information helps avoid delays. Another option is to pay by mail. To do this, send a check or money order for the exact fine amount made payable to the local court system. This exact amount matters because sending the wrong total could slow down processing. Before mailing anything, contact the court to confirm both the correct mailing address and the exact fee due. That extra verification step can help prevent mistakes and make sure your payment reaches the right place. To complete either payment method, you'll want to have the right information ready. First, you need your citation number. You can find this on your physical uniform traffic ticket and complaint summons. This number is one of the key details used to match your payment to your case, so double check it carefully. You should also have your driver information available. That includes your full legal name, your driver's license number, and your vehicle details. Having all of this prepared ahead of time can make the process smoother, whether you're paying in person or sending your payment by mail. So to summarize, even though online payment is not currently available in American Samoa, you can still take care of your traffic ticket through the court, in person, or by mail. Just make sure you have your physical citation, the correct fine amount, your citation number, and your driver and vehicle information ready before you proceed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you handle your traffic ticket payment as smoothly as possible.